I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Ninja Forms. Select a form. Next, search and select Fluent CRM for action. Click Connect to Fluent CRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Go to the Ninja Forms page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to Fluent CRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.